Well folks, I am on the road in the Mark II Golf, headliner looking very ropey in the background there. I do need to change that, but the car is driving great. Anyway, I am on the road down to VW Spares because they have a car for sale that I'm very interested in. Now, I know you're probably thinking that he's got enough cars. He hasn't even finished the Mazda MX-5 yet and all of that. And you're right, I haven't finished the MX-5 and I will finish it before I even touch this car. However, this car could be really interesting, and it's one that's for sale for, let's just say, the right price, given the fact that there's plenty of scope there for me to do a bit on it, to turn it around and hopefully turn a bit of a profit on it. So let's see what it is, shall we? Well, here she is, folks. So it's obviously a Beetle. Let's have a look around. Superficially it looks okay from a distance, but that door has probably been painted with a rattle can. In fact, I would imagine the whole car has actually been painted with a rattle can. It just hasn't really been flatted back. It also needs some work down along there. Now, whether or not that's actually kind of real legitimate corrosion setting in there, or if it just needs, well, actually I'm just looking down the bottom, yeah, it does need some metal replacement. Needs some welding along the seam and everything as well. But you know what? It's complete. Mazda MX-5 seats, approved. And fairly sketchy looking headliner. Now, I'd be buying it without an engine as well. It has an engine in it at the moment, but that engine won't be going with the car for the price that I'd be paying for it. Now, to be honest with you, I think if I threw an engine in this and basically gave it a bit of a belt and a polishing wheel and just kind of made sure it was serviceable and ready to drive, I could turn a quid or two on it. Just depends on how cheap I can get an engine for it. The wheels are nice, but the tyres are like low profile tyres and it's sitting at stock ride height. It looks daft. So at the very least, I'd stick a set of rear tyres on it. I mean, it's all there. It's not bad. I'm going to have a bit more of a scout around and see what else I can find on it. Just looking under the bonnet, I got a fright when I saw this. I thought it was expanding foam and that would have been a big no-no, but it's not. It's like fiberglass on both sides. I mean, that's gonna cause rot of its own accord. But underneath the spare wheel is fine. I took it out and had a look. No issues there. The bonnet has a few dents on it that look like they've come from the inside. It's hard to show on camera, but they're there. Just take my word for it. And yeah, I mean, look, it's got all new brakes. It looks like it's been under sealed in there and everything as well. I'd probably do an A-pillar. I mean, it's not terrible. I think I'm going to take a punt on this one, you know that? Sure, why not? What have I got to lose? I think I'd be able to sell it tomorrow for the same amount of money I buy it for, so I can't see myself losing out on that. Well, I stuck a deposit on it, so yeah, and funnily enough, my wife reminded me there when I was telling her on the phone, it was on my birthday. Today is my birthday, and on my birthday when I was 28 was when I actually bought my first Beetle. And yeah, so I think I have a birthday Beetle thing going on. So yeah, I was 28 then and I'm 42 now. 42? So yeah, it's, I think I might have a thing with Beetles, alright, yeah. But anyway, look, I'm looking forward to getting stuck into that now, and it'll be a bit of fun. I need to find a serviceable engine for it, and yeah, basically get it roadworthy. So that's kind of the plan with it anyway. And once it's roadworthy, we can kind of decide the plan from there. But yeah, if you have an engine sitting out the back of your shed or something like that, and you're looking to sell it to me, please give me a shout. Let me know. Drop a comment down below, and I'll get in touch with you. Thanks. All right, and we are ready to hit the road. Well, it's home safe and sound. So I'll make a bit of space in the garage and get it into it once I've got the MX-5 on its wheels and ready to drive. But for the time being, it's just going to stay here, and then we'll get stuck into it afterwards. So I hope you'll join me for that project. I'm looking forward to getting stuck into it myself. I need to pick up an engine and a few other bits and pieces and see if we can spruce it up and turn it into a good runner. So yeah, please do hit the subscribe button before you go. I really do appreciate it. It means a lot to me, and I will see you in a future video. Talk to you soon.